it like. I'm a Geordie.
I'm a Geordie too, like.
As was Mayor Courtney, we're all wearing cowboy hats.
Man, it's a right carry hat too, like.
Mine's filled with lard.
And mine's filled with hamsters.
We can't stand around talking about our hats, man.
You're right, man. Let's meet the judges.
Some would say our first act is a bit wooden.
That's not very nice, man.
No, man. I'm making a comedy joke like.
I don't get it.
If you let me introduce the act, you will. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Twigs in Wigs.
I don't get it, man.
So then, judges, was that a quality act?
Or was it a bit wooden?
E-man, stop stealing me jokes! Had wood!
You know, I sure do like those potatoes.
Thank you, judges. That was most insightful.
But now it's time to cast your eye over our next act.
On the aromatic floodplains of Solihull,
It's Hula Explosion!
judges!
Sanity Brown Boy,
Hello.
do you have anything to add?
That's right. Okay then. Our final act for the show is something a little bit different.
Hailing from the mighty town of Scunthorpe near the beautiful town of Grythorpe,
It's pretty good, Keith. It's a beauty.
What in the hell are spuds?
so then judges, what did
Stop what, man? Did he just say stop these farts? I think you did, you know.
So there we have it, folks.
Next time it's the final, where this week's winner and our previous winners will all face off. Not only that, but you'll get to pick who the winner is too.
Aye, man! Using fancy buttons and that like.
Oh, that is fancy.